Everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got something exciting for all the creators out there. If you use Wondershare Filmora for editing, I'm going to show you how to grab discounts with the Filmora Magic Link and share some exclusive coupon codes you can try right now, stick till the end, so you don't miss the biggest savings. So what exactly is the Filmora Magic Link? It's basically a special promotional link from Wondershare that automatically applies the best available discount on Filmora subscriptions or lifetime licenses. You don't need to manually search for codes. Just click the magic link and check out with the discount already added. Super easy. But if you prefer using coupon codes, here are some you can try in 2025. Filmora 25. Save, get 25% off Filmora, annual plan Magic 30 off, extra 30% off lifetime license, WSoft 20 film. 20% off all Wondershare bundles, Filmora plus PDF Element, etc. Filmora 2025 Pro, flat 15% off. Filmora Pro version Student Film 2025. Student deal, extra 10 to 15% off, with verification how to use them. Visit a trusted coupon site like Hosting Coupon Spot or the official Wondershare promo page. Copy the coupon code or click the magic link on the Filmora checkout page, paste the code in the coupon code box, or let the magic link auto-apply it. Apply and enjoy your discount instantly. Pro tip, Wondershare often bundles Filmora with other tools like UniConverter or Demo Creator. These bundles can save you up to 40% extra, so check them out if you're using multiple tools. And that's it. If you're ready to upgrade your editing game, make sure to grab these Filmora deals while they're active. I'll drop the magic link and the latest coupon updates in the description below so you don't miss out. If this video helped you save some money, hit that like button, subscribe for more coupon updates, and let me know in the comments which Filmora plan you're grabbing. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.